Hi from Captain Calm. Have you ever felt that twisty feeling inside when someone else gets something cool? That feeling is called jealousy. One of the trickiest forms of jealousy is when we start comparing what we have to what someone else has. That's when a sneaky visitor likes to pop in. We call him the comparison thief. It doesn't take anything away from us, but it can still make us feel bad. Let me show you how it works. Imagine this. You're sitting at a table with a giant bowl of your favorite ice cream. It's cold, creamy, and delicious. You take a bite. It tastes amazing. You feel happy, cozy, proud. This is your ice cream. But then, you look at your friend's bowl. And that's when a sneaky little visitor appears. Meet the comparison thief. Comparison thief softly whispers in your ear, "Look, your friend has one more sprinkle than you." You think, hey, why doesn't my ice cream taste as good anymore? But did your ice cream change? Of course not. The ice cream is still delicious. The comparison thief didn't steal your ice cream. He stole your joy. When we stop enjoying what we have and start measuring it against someone else, comparison sneaks in and makes good things feel bad. Want to know how to beat the comparison thief? Let us look at the toolkit. Step 1, notice him. Oh, comparison is here. Step 2, name the feeling. I feel jealous. Step 3, look back at your bowl. Remind yourself what you enjoy. Step 4, taste your joy again. Next up is Parents' Corner. Parents, each step of the toolkit supports emotional regulation and brain development. Let us understand the science behind them. Step 1, notice it. Children learn awareness without shame. The goal is to help the child notice the thought pattern before reacting. Noticing activates the thinking brain, which slows the emotional reaction. Name the feeling. The goal is to help the child put words to the emotion so it doesn't control them. Naming emotions reduces brain stress signals and normalizes the emotion. Look back at your bowl. Comparison hijacks attention. The goal here is to return the child's attention to the present moment where joy actually lives. Taste your joy again. Re-engage with the experience. Positive emotions return as the child re-enters the present moment through experience, not reasoning. Positive emotions return when the child re-enters the present moment. This toolkit is not about eliminating jealousy. It's about helping kids recognize it, work with it, and move through it. Sometimes, after big feelings like jealousy, another feeling quietly shows up. We'll explore that feeling next time. Keep watching Wonder Now.